country, yes? But we have difficulties with other questions. For example, with phrasal verbs, with idioms, with proverbs, and there are no information in the book about country study. Yes? You see that today we are going to study about the country study. Yes, very nice. So, what can you say? What is the name of country, which language we speak and study, learn as an international language? What is the country? Yes. Kingdom. Yes, that's correct. It is the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Yes, that's nice. So, and how many countries does it consist of?
Four countries.
Yeah. What? Yeah. England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern. Very nice, very nice. So, today I am going to give you some information about these countries, yes? About these 4 countries for 4 groups, okay? So, in order to study this, you have information. Please give. So, you have about the Wales. You will speak about Scotland, okay? And you will speak about the last Northern Ireland, okay? So, Northern Ireland. So, will you, your task is, first look at me please, your first task is to read the text, not for the details. You should read it for specific information. Look please, look at me all of you. So, read it for specific information. First you read, yes, introduce with the text, and find some information about it, like I did about Kazakhstan, yes? Do you remember how I did the slides about Kazakhstan? Yes. In this way, you should make up a slideshow, PowerPoint presentation, and of course, to make some questions, work as a question-answer work, and then you should send all the information into the central computer to this email, okay? So, you should now first to be introduced and find some information, okay? So, read it please. First, you should read it for 2 minutes or 1 minute. It will be enough for you to find some necessary information about it. You are searching for internet for some information, yes? Nice, very nice. You should do it for maybe 10 minutes. Is it enough for you to make it in 10 minutes? Will be it enough for you for 10 minutes? Yes? Put your hands and listen to the presentation. Because after the presentations, you have questions to answer, yes? Okay, so listen. You should listen. So be careful. Listen all the information about it.
Okay, our sum is England. England is a country of United Kingdom or Great Britain. England borders with Scotland to the north and Wales to the west side. Okay, next. It's Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II at the time the Queen of Great Britain and the Queen of Canada. Official head of Canada.
Yeah, that's right. Listen, boys and girls.
Yes, it is the University of Oxford and University of Cambridge. It's very famous university in the world, and they are located in London, the London city. Yes, it's the famous tower in the world, and it's Buckingham Palace. It's a residence of Queen, so it's big eyes of London, and national emblem of England is the red rose.
Yes.
How you can see.
Yes. Thank you. Very nice presentation. Do you have questions?
Yes, there is some questions for you.
Listen.
What is the national emblem of England? Second,
Yes.
who is the
official head of England?
The Queen.
Queen. Yes.
Queen or king?
Yes, so the question, how many parts are there in London?
Three. Three. You can? Yes, can you say in the city?
The city, western and the eastern, 3 parts. And first, where is located the residence of Queen?
In Buckingham Palace and city. Where is located Buckingham Palace? Where is located Buckingham Palace? Where is? In London.
In London.
In London, of course. What is the the capital? The capital is London. Yes. Of course, in London should be. Yes. Thank you. Because they have work and prepare.
This map Wales. Wales is a part of the United Kingdom. The country borders on England in the east and is washed by the Atlantic Ocean and the Irish Sea in the west. Wales is not very big country with a population about 3 million people. There are 2 official languages in Wales, Welsh and English. Cardiff. Cardiff, largest city and the most populous country of Wales. Cardiff is home to a lot of castles and historic sites. Cardiff's history dates back to Roman times, and the Cardiff Castle, right at the heart of the city, is worth a visit. Wales flag of Wales is an image of a red dragon on a white and a green background. Daffodil is a national flower of Wales. Red dragon, a symbol of. That's all.
What is the capital of Wales?
Cardiff.
Yes. What is the national emblem of Wales?
Red dragon. Yes. Nice.
Are there any popular castles in Wales?
Very nice, you have remembered.
What are the most popular types of sport Welsh people?
Right?
Scotland is one of the most interesting countries in the United Kingdom. Next. It borders with England and is washed by the North Sea and Atlantic Ocean, the North Channel and Irish Sea. The Scotland's second symbol, Scottish seal, the seal, the floral emblem of Scotland. And the Royal Arms of Scotland is a coat of arms symbolizing Scotland and Scotland's monarch. The national flag. The national flag of Scotland is dated from the 8th century and is thus the oldest national flag. Next, please.
Nice.
And the head of state, the official head state of this Elizabeth II, and has been Queen of the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand.
Also, yes, she's the head of also the Canada and Australia and New Zealand.
And the largest and beautiful, the capital city is Edinburgh.
Edinburgh, yes.
And of course, the national instrument of Scotland. The national instrument of Scotland is a bagpipe. It is made of sheepskin.
Very interesting, yes. They're very special instrument. We don't have such kind of instruments in any country, yes?
Yes.
Besides Scotland, yes.
The player with air by blowing into it and allows the air to come through pipes. And the traditional dress of Scotland. Traditional dress of Scotland, which is also called the Highland dress.
Very interesting, yes. They have first.
Main traditional dress of Scotland consists of a kilt and sporran, a skin cap, and a kilt hose and gillies. Yes. And many questions for you. Which flower is the emblem of Scotland? Thistle. Yes. Right. What do you know about Loch Ness? People think their leaves
Yes, nice.
You know the name of the national clothes of Scotland?
Kilt.